Well, for years and years, I'm sure that you have heard of a savings club or, going back to the 70s or the 80s, they were called happenings books, where for 25 bucks, you could just buy this big brick of coupons, massive amounts of paper, and you would just go through them for hours and look at all the companies and all the businesses that would give you, I don't know, maybe 5, 10 bucks off, maybe 50% off, but they were called happenings books. Where I grew up in Santa Barbara, California. I'm in Salt Lake City, Utah now, and Groupon, Priceline. How many savings opportunities are there? Probably quite a bit, right? Well, this opportunity I want to show you, I think it's different. I like it because it's worldwide, not just isolated here in Utah or even in America. I like where if I'm going to travel and go somewhere, I could go up north to Canada or maybe go to an Asian property, maybe down in South America. But it's nice to know that I can go online and see flights, hotels, food, just a Lyft to the airport. Do you guys ever use Lyft? How about Uber? Do you ever go to Burger King, accidentally have a Whopper? Do you like to save on tires, tanning, car wash opportunities? Amazon. Who isn't shopping on Amazon right now as I record this video? Okay. All you got to do is just ask yourself, do I have a few minutes just to look at this opportunity? Because you're going to save a lot of money, in my opinion. But earning money is amazing. I had no idea that I'd save $900 the first 30 days on tires and some car wash things that I did. That was just the first 2 weeks when I climbed aboard Save Club just to save money on things I'm already buying. Then I became an affiliate for a couple bucks, and now here I am making money every single month. It's paying like half my mortgage of this house. I'm in a big old house, 5 bedroom, let's see, 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom. This is brand new. I just built this home and it's exciting. And I did save money on things I'm already buying at Lowe's and Walmart. I still go to the same car wash, Kurt's Car Wash, thank you, and Discount Tire because I know no matter what, I love driving. I'm going to probably have to buy tires for something down the road. But you just got to ask yourself, do you have a few minutes where you can, watch this video I'm making? And I'm going to invite you to just look into this opportunity. Okay, let me shrink down here. I'm going to go ahead and just put this on your screen, joinsaveclub.org. Okay, can you see it up there? I'll highlight it again. I want you to just click that and watch this video. It's just a YouTube video. It's our CEO, Charles. If you like what you see, please put your name and email and secure my position. That doesn't mean you've joined. It means you're just going to get another email. And once a day, you'll get an email from this company for 30 days. And if you don't want to join, just opt out. But if you'd like to join, keep the emails. You learn a lot from them, and you can send them to people that might have questions. But it starts with joinsaveclub.org. It's an organization. Okay. And you can read a little bit. You go to Church's Chicken here in America. How about Chuck E. Cheese? You ever heard of Disney? You like to go to movies? How about Hard Rock Cafe? I like that name. I wish I owned that. It's cool. Okay, so to repeat, join saveclub.org, not .org. Okay, join saveclub.org. And you're going to go ahead and watch this. Now, if you want to see the back office, I'll just show you real quick. Why not? I've already joined. It's super easy to navigate. My deals, you go here and search the world and see, hey, do you need tires? Do you need to fly somewhere? Do you want to just have a cheeseburger? All right. It's a free app too. I'm on a home computer now, but you can just download the Save Club app, log in. And what's nice is if you're in the restaurant paying, it'll almost remind you saying, hey, there's savings. You can save 5, 10 bucks on your food. Get a kickback, get the cash back. That's exciting. You're buying that product or service anyway. And all you do is just click that mobile app button there. I use Samsung. I got one of those Fold 7 new phones. If you have an iPhone, you know what apps are. Download it and use it. My info, you just go ahead and order there. If you have any ordering, it'll keep track right here. So if you don't have receipts or whatnot. My team, this is when you start building worldwide. And on the leaderboard, I'm pretty excited. I'm somewhat new to this online thing, but you can see I'm number 8 in the world right now. I have 125 people already signed up. I have no doubt I'm going to get 200. I want to be up here with Kelly and my friends. I'd like to be in the top. That's exciting for me. Okay, my websites. You can use websites that are pre-built. All you do is just invite people to that link. You don't have to build websites, host websites. There's tons of training. There's more training than you can imagine, and it's all free. There's pictures, there's banners, there's videos you can use. You don't have to do what I'm doing right now. Just take your time and go through the training and use the training. Contact us. You need to get a hold of the company. That's easy. Okay, and the pay plan, just keep it easy. If you want to know how we get paid, I'm just going to invite you to this link because it's boring to talk about the pay plan. Go to saveclub.com/pay plan. That's it. Watch the little video. There you go. Just go to the bottom. I hate reading this and that. It's boring as hell. I just recommend go ahead and just watch the video of the pay plan. That's the way to go. But you guys will figure this out. My deals is probably my favorite page because you can just go here. Oh, where's the little link? There it is, right here. You just click and go into my deals all over the world. Rent a cabin, get a hamburger, go to the gym. You go to Planet Fitness, you go to Universal Studios, Disneyland. You better use some coupons. It's easy to go through one to five to $10,000, even Universal Studios, which I love. All right, stay fit. Look at this. 1-800-JUNK. I use this when when I moved into this new house. I had stuff that I considered kind of the. I called 1-800-GOT-JUNK, and yeah, they came and picked up my stuff. It was kind of cool. I've never even thought about doing that. You go to Pizza Hut, all right, you go to Panda Express, get some tires at Firestone, Buffalo Wild Wings, you go there and watch your favorite sports. Take Five, oil change. They're all over Utah here. I'm going to definitely use this one next because I need a couple oil changes. Dick's Sporting Goods, Ford. You need to go buy a Ford truck. How about one of those badass Raptors? I love those trucks. There you go. You live in San Diego, or maybe I live here in Salt Lake. I do. Go ahead. Get 9% off the gate price. You're going anyway. You might as well save 9%. So, anyway, this is Save Club. Super affordable. It's putting quite a hefty chunk of change in my pocket every 30 days, and I'm saving money on things I'm already buying. All right, so go ahead and please look at the top of my screen one more time. I'm going to show you. That's the easiest way to do is just show you something. Maybe that's easier. Joinsaveclub.org. Okay, and just watch the video. I think you're going to like Charles. Smart guy. He lives down in good old Las Vegas, and he can tell you more about this opportunity. Get a hold of me as well, guys. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel, you can get a hold of me there. Find me on Facebook, Cory@CoryDraper.com. That's my email. I've had that forever. Okay, but don't be shy. If I can help you out, I definitely will. And I hope you look into this. It's a great opportunity. All right, guys, thanks for your time. And subscribe and click and do the little like buttons on my YouTube channel anytime. I sure appreciate it. All right, guys, thanks again. See you soon. Bye.